I plan to do a bird hunting today, see it, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, see me man, and share video if you want to share, you see me? So subscribe to the channel, see me with some white force, if you know white force, you know. So let me say please subscribe to the channel, you see it? Yeah man, someone there see me pack up the thing them. So I link up two of my dog them, see it, so we can shot some bird, you see it, so. Like me I say people, subscribe, share the video if you want to share it. So when you watch it, please subscribe to the channel, you see it. And watch it to the end, same way, you see it. See the one? Share bird, you know. Natural bird, no. Yeah, man. First, I shot on them, body, you know. Yeah, man. Good bird, man. So like I say, please subscribe, share it, yeah, man. See, I strong bring it, too. Yeah, man, please subscribe. Pick me from far, man. Good man there, you know. Yeah, man. One dopey that on the table. How many bag with you on the table? Yes, people. You know, so I pay a gun there. Like carton bag, man. No, Kev, take me back. How me back there, sir? Another part, I need something for there. And I say about them for there. No, I stink up in the other part. Okay, look, Kev. All the way. Pay out of that and bush up, body fuck. Look there. So people, please subscribe to the channel, see it? Like, when I move on the subscriber thing, you see it? Alright. So stay tuned. Now I'm making video too long now. You know, one more board on the table.
As we say, we just get one.
Yeah, man. Headshot, dead. But they call this song again. I don't remember the name. Watching a full video, you see. Don't remember the name, brother. Yeah, man. But that's clot! Yo! It's too nine of that. It's too high to backside. In die. King Kev? Boy, I have a clever. You see people like me say, please subscribe to the channel, you see it upon the hunting. Same way. There's people care about 4 birds, you see. Care about 4 birds. One, the big one, kill me, I train you down. You want to see another one, yeah. So another one there. So a live post bird there. So the one that come like seeing this, you know. 2 of them come like you see him. You want one eye shot straight in your eye. You want to cook up a fire for a big bird. I cook up a fire for a big bird. You see it, a big bird there. Yeah man, I'm a gay dog, the puppy. My dog, so I pick near, see, so I fat him up good. I just cook up the food, I see it. Yeah man. I'm putting in 2 here, then 3 here in the fridge. Yeah man. So when I do no cooking, yeah, the only cooking I do are big bird alone. I don't cook the rest of them. I just roast him up straight. I don't strip him neither. Because I put him in the fire, make him feather burn up. You see it? So it right now, people. Like me I say, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel straight. For that think of wow. Because I know I didn't think of bread. So in my first bird me shot. And then one of them and then another one and then this is the last one me shot when me are going. Yeah man, so I didn't get the video. I'm going to alone get the video. People think of it. Bird think. I ain't bird that one. But I waste my way seeing me still I see it to my year dog. So like I say, please subscribe. Yeah man, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel straight man. Yeah man, so everything run. So people see woodpecker kind of team over there, you see it? And Garley, me shot Garley. Maybe sat them and go back with me one of them. We don't need a bridge in there, see? A bridge in the guy to go walk so in there. So me see prince so. Roast up a bird, keep puppy gonna bush cook food. Me sure say puppy I eat this, I see it long and cook on them there. So that means the people please subscribe to the channel, I see it, subscribe. Yeah man, subscribe to the channel straight. Yes, people, this is being kill the water bird them, you see it? This is being kill the water bird them. Yeah, man. See big bird there, first bird me shot. See the big young meat on your fridge, so a puppy food that one, a puppy so forward feet, I see it. Watch out and surround it right it. So we clean up the two bird them and put them in our three bird and the left and put them in the fridge, I see it. Yeah, man. See the fire there. So when I boil them mash up my sting shot, I want them little sting shot. See sting shot I boil mash up, see it there? Someone just fix up it. Yeah, man. I boil and shot down there. See you boil Kev sting shot this I say when you know for tight right it. So I'm gonna fix up them on there so like that. See the sting shot I'm in the left. See them man? The left right, me lose and shot the woodpecker, you see it? And so another one me didn't make. Look how me didn't make it kinda straight, you see it? Thick kinda little. See there? Thick kinda little. Just make up on different but look at waste the last kit them but enough last kit there for them, enough last kit there. I mean I want another rubber, another black rubber like them but a jar and buck, you see it? Come on, enough things there. Like me I say people please subscribe, share the video. You know some of there always, yeah man. And comment on comment if you want to see more of them video, you see it. So subscribe, same way, yeah man. Subscribe and just go on a little bird hunting. Like me I did nothing yesterday, me go up on a piece of work. Yeah man. Because I go work tomorrow again now. You see it? So I say yo dog, we are there. I go a bush tomorrow. Yesterday I tell the dog. Yesterday was holiday. Yeah man. So I say please subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, and take some comments if you want to see more of them video.